Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter Introduction to Biology from the Punjab textbook of biology. Students, science is a study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principle of nature. And biology is one of the main branch of science. What is meant by biology? Biology is the scientific study of life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words. Bios means life and logos means thoughts or reasoning. So, in the course of biology, we will study how man has thought about living things. To understand and appreciate the nature, it is essential to study the structure, function, and related aspects of living organisms. And the study of living organisms also provides the information and remedies to human problems regarding health, food, and environment. Three main branches of biology. There are three main divisions of biology which study the different aspects of the living of the major group of organisms: zoology, botany, and microbiology. Zoology and botany is a branch of biology which deals with the study of different aspects of plant. Means कि plant से related जितनी भी study हम करेंगे वो botany कहलाएगी. Zoology is a branch of biology connected with the study of different aspects of animals. Zoo mean animals and logy mean study. So zoology is the study of animals. Microbiology is the branch of biology. Micro means small organism, and micro means small, bio mean living things, and logy mean study. Microbiology means small organisms study. It means we study the small organisms, the organism which cannot be cannot seen with the naked eye. So microbiology is a branch of biology deals with the study of different aspects of the microorganisms. Biology is further divided into main branches, especially branches for better and easy understanding. Morphology is derived from a Greek word morph, means shape and forms, and the study of form, shape, size and structure of the organism is called morphology. Means के इसमें हम ये किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के शेप, साइज, फॉर्म या स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. एंड anatomy is also come from a Greek word anatomy, means dissection. The study of internal structure of organism by dissecting is called anatomy. Means कि अगर हम किसी भी लिविंग थिंग के ऑर्गन्स को कट करके इंटरनली उसकी स्टडी करेंगे तो उसको एनाटॉमी कहेंगे, उस स्टडी को एनाटॉमी कहेंगे. Histology is also derived from a Greek word histos, means tissues. It means the study of composition, structure and function of the plant and animal tissue is called the histology, and study of tissue is called histology. Physiology. It is also derived from a physics, which is a Greek word means nature or origin, and the scientific study of function and mechanism in a living system is called physiology. Means the function of the different body parts, organs of the living things will be studied under the heading of physiology. Embryology. It is also come from a Greek word embryon, means unborn embryo or fetus. Embryology deals with the study of embryo and phenomena involved in its formation and its development into a new organism. Means unborn बेबी या अनबॉर्न फीटस की स्टडी जो है एम्ब्रियोलॉजी कहलाएगी. टेक्सोनोमी फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड टेक्सिस मीन arrangement and nomos means laws. So the study of classification of organism and their scientific name is called taxonomy. Means इसमें हम तमाम लिविंग थिंग्स की क्लासिफिकेशन करेंगे उनकी डिफरेंट करेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बेस पे और उनके साइंटिफिक नेम स्टडी करेंगे. सेल बायोलॉजी एज अ नेम इंडिकेट the study of the cell is called cell biology and cytology. The study of structure and function of cell is called cell biology, and cell is a basic structure and functional unit of all living things. Paleontology. It also derived from a Greek word. Paleos means old, ancient, and ontos means being creature. So the scientific study of fossils of past organisms is called paleontology. Paleobotany, the study of fossil of plants, and paleozoology is the study of the fossil of animals. Immunology. It is from the Latin word immunis, means resistance to exempt, and the branch of biology which deals with the immune responses of the body to foreign challenges in order to defend itself is called immunology. And entomology. It is also derived from a Greek word entomon, means notch, refers to segments body of insects. Mean and the scientific study of insects is called entomology, means इसमें हम जितने भी इंसेक्ट्स हैं उनके बॉडी पार्ट्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. Genetics. The study of genes and their roles in inheritance is called genetics. And inheritance is the transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. जीन्स जो हैं वो पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग में ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं, तो जितनी भी इनहेरिटेंस से रिलेटेड स्टडीज़ हैं वो सारी हम जेनेटिक्स में करेंगे. सोशियो बायोलॉजी बिहेवियरल इकोलॉजी विच इज़ ऑल्सो ड्रिवन फ्रॉम अ Latin word socius mean companion. The systematic study of the biology basic of social behavior in both human and animal is called sociobiology. For example, social behavior and beneficial relationship among the animals living in the same area, such as human, bees, ants, etc. मीन्स के डिफरेंट एनिमल्स का आपस में कैसा रिलेशन है, वो किस तरह एक दूसरे पे फूड के लिए या किसी भी थिंग के लिए एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड कर सकते हैं, उनके बारे में सारी स्टडी सोशियोबायोलॉजी स्टडी कहलाएगी. फार्माकोलॉजी फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड फार्माकॉन मीन्स ड्रग्स और पॉइजन, एंड द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी डील्स विद द प्रॉपर्टीज यूज्ड, effects and mode of action of drugs on biology system is called pharmacology. Means जितनी भी ड्रग्स और मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड स्टडी है वो हम फार्माकोलॉजी में करेंगे. Next is biotechnology and the study of practical application use of organisms for the benefit and welfare of humanity is called biotechnology. It deals with the practical application of living organisms to make the substance for the welfare of mankind. जितनी भी practical application है किसी भी बायो से रिलेटेड डिफरेंट थिंग्स की, उन सब को जब हम ह्यूमन वेलफेयर के लिए यूज़ करते हैं तो उसकी स्टडी को बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कहेंगे. इन्वायरमेंटल बायोलॉजी और इकोलॉजी. इन्वायरमेंटल बायोलॉजी इज़ अ ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स विद द हाउ द ऑर्गेनिज्म इंटरेक्ट विद देयर इन्वायरमेंट. मीन्स के ऑर्गेनिज्म या लिविंग थिंग्स हैं वो अपने इर्द गिर्द इन्वायरमेंट में कैसे एक्ट करेंगे, किस इन्वायरमेंट में रहेंगे, कैसे खाएंगे पिएंगे उठेंगे बैठेंगे. पैरासाइटोलॉजी द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स द स्टडी ऑफ पैरासाइट्स. पैरासाइट्स ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं जो अपनी डाइट के लिए दूसरे लिविंग थिंग्स पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं, दूसरे एनिमल्स पर डिपेंडेंट होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, at the last you have to solve a question: how can you describe your own body under different branches of biology? It is not including in your syllabus, but it is for general knowledge. You have to answer this question in comment box. Thank you.